Okay, so hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to apply the falsies or the false eyelashes in an easy way. If you're new on my channel, welcome. My name is Inofre. I am a Filipino nurse, I'm a makeup artist, and I'm based here in the UK. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'll be very grateful if you do subscribe to my channel and also click the bell so you get updated with the new videos that I upload. Okay guys, so as you can see, my face is done. I just have a very light makeup or a very basic makeup because I would really want to focus on applying false eyelashes or the falsies. So the first thing that you would need, of course, is the false eyelashes. So the favorite ones that I have are the ones that I bought from the Beauty Base. So Beauty Base has a store at Stratford, Westfield Stratford. So they are £2.99 and they look like this. So these lashes are kinda thick on the outer part of your eye, so which adds up to the smoky effect. That's why I really like this, since I like smoky eyes. So this is my favorite eyelashes. Okay, so that's the first one you would need for obviously application of eyelash, and then you would need some curlers. Yes, you would need some mascara, which I love. This is from Maybelline the Colossal Volum Express. And then as well, the most important thing that you need to have when you're applying your eyelashes or your falsies is your glue. So this is the duo glue. And then the last thing that you would need would be some tweezers. So these tweezers, I bought this from Marionnaud. This has been with me for a very long time. So if you will see, the tip of this tweezer is broad, so it has a good grip when you carry or when you try to get your falsies. So those are the things that you would really need to have an easy application for your falsies. Actually, there's also like a proper eyelash tweezer, which is broader, like it really covers the whole eyelash strip when you put it in your eye, which is also nice, but I'm really used already to this kind of tweezers, so I'm gonna use this. Okay guys, the first thing I usually do when I apply my lashes is I kind of do this on my lashes. So I kind of bend them so it follows the curve of my lash line, so it will be easier as well to put them on. Face. So it goes with the falsies. This one as well. Because if you don't do this and then the normal grow of your lashes are downwards, when you put the eyelashes, they kind of are an opposite direction. It will not look nice. So you have to like kind of curl them along with how the lashes are curled. So this is my eyelashes with your tweezers. You're gonna get them. So you're going to grip them on the middle part of the eyelash. So make sure that the shorter hair will be inside or would be on the inner corner of your eye, and then this one, the thicker one and the longer side, would be on the outer corner of your eye. So since we already have a grip of our eyelash, we're gonna get our glue. So you have to make sure it's just the right amount of glue. I'm not sure if it's focused guys, but I hope so. And then you make sure you focus on both sides, because those sides are the ones that usually easily removed. So you have to make sure. That's that. So since we already applied the glue, we just need to wait or kind of count for 30 seconds. So what I do while I'm counting for 30 seconds is I kind of move them like this so it dries up faster, and then I count 30 seconds in my mind. 2, 3, 4. So that's 30 seconds done. And then what I do, I kind of put my finger into it, make sure it's not too wet, or it has to have the tacky consistency. When you say tacky, it's kind of sticky, because if it's too wet, then it will not really stick into your eyelash or into your lash line. So you have to make sure it's not too wet. So I'm gonna zoom this in so you can see how I apply. And then make sure you have a mirror that you can look downwards so you know where to actually apply the lash line. Place first in the middle, look down, push, sides, then you can use your fingers to push. And then you kind of have to press them together. So you can see that it's connected to your lash line. I know these eyelashes are very strong. That's why I use them if I'm really having like strong smoky eyeshadows. Because this is really nice. It kind of opens your eyes. But yeah. Put it in the middle, target the middle bit. And then once it dries out, kind of push them like this so it will look more natural. So with your mascara, you just have to put some so your natural lashes will be combined or will be one with your falsies. Okay, to be honest guys, I know I made it sound looking easy, but it really takes a lot of practice. So if you really wanted to master how to apply false eyelashes, you really have to practice, because it's actually one of those difficult aspects of makeup. What are your thoughts? Is it easy or is it difficult? Let me know in the comment section down below. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!